Dear NTR TV viewers, we are with you again with the North African cuisine program. Today, we will give you the recipe for couscous with vegetables from Moroccan dishes. Let's give the ingredients and quantity first. Then, we will move on to the preparation. Couscous with vegetables, Morocco. Amount of ingredients: 1 kg of veal, water 3 liters, tomato 3 pieces, pre-soaked chickpeas 120 gram, onion 2 pieces, 2 bunches of coriander, tomato paste and 1 tablespoon, white radish 350 gram, sunflower oil 8 cl, yellow radish 350 gram, ginger 1 tablespoon, carrots 500 gram, black pepper 1 teaspoon, cabbage 500 gram, turmeric 1 teaspoon, pumpkin 500 gram, saffron 8 pieces, red pepper hot 1 piece, salt add enough. For the couscous, medium-sized couscous 750 gram, water 75 cl, sunflower oil 1 tablespoon, salted butter 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon. Preparation of the meat is cut into pieces and simmered in a saucepan with sunflower oil, onions, 2 tomatoes and tomato paste specified in boiling ingredient. Adding water to the pot, spices, chickpeas and a bunch of coriander are added to this mixture. When the meat is half cooked, cabbage, leaves, carrots and radishes are added. Couscous preparation. Couscous is placed on a white tray and weighted with a glass of water. With our hands, the water of the couscous grains is drawn to ensure that they become grains. Cover it with a clean cloth and let it rest for a few minutes until the couscous water absorbs. The inner surface of the upper part of the couscous is well oiled and put into the couscous. This upper part is placed on the lower part of the couscous bowl, which is half filled with water. The steam rising from the boiling water at the bottom is allowed to reach the upper hood for 15 minutes. A large bowl is greased with sunflower oil and then the top couscous is taken, poured into this bowl. Wet it with a glass of salt water. The couscous is mixed with the fingers again until it becomes greeny. Let it rest for a few minutes so that the couscous absorbs all the water well. This process is repeated twice in couscous until the couscous swells, becomes soft and ready to be eaten. Salted butter is added to the hot couscous and it is taken to the serving plate. Bringing together the boiled meat and vegetables and couscous. A pit is created in the middle after the hot couscous is placed on the serving plate. The boiling water in which the couscous meat and the vegetables are cooked is soaked. And then meat and vegetables are placed in the middle space. Couscous is served hot. We will tell you the recipe for green wheat soup, which is one of the Algerian dishes. Let's tell the recipe of our soup by saying bon appetit to those who want to try it. Let's get the ingredients first. A list of ingredients. An amount: lamb or beef 250 gram, liquid oil 1 teaspoon, tomato paste 2 tablespoons, red pepper half tablespoon, noho soaked overnight 1 handful, black pepper 1 pinch, coriander 1 bunch, salt add to your taste, celery steam 1 piece, broken green wheat flake 1 cup, pumpkin 2 medium size, carrot 4 units, onion 1 unit, dried mint 1 teaspoon, green pepper 1 piece, fresh mint 4 to 5 leaves, butter 1 tablespoon, garlic 1 tooth. Let's explain the preparation. The meat is cut into cubes and placed in the pot. Add grated onion and finely chopped coriander, red pepper, black pepper, garlic, butter, oil and salt. Quarter glass of water is poured over it. Cook for a few minutes on low heat. Add tomato paste diluted in a glass of water to the pot. Cook for a few more minutes. About 1 liter of water is added. While the meat is cooking, broken green wheat chickpeas, chopped celery stalk, zucchini cut in half and carrots cut in half are added. Cover the pot and cook on medium heat until the meat is cooked thoroughly. After cooking, zucchini and carrots are removed. They are not served. In the last step, a whole green pepper and a few leaves of mint are thrown. Finely chopped coriander and dried meat are sprinkled on the soup and served very hot with a slice of lemon. We give you the recipe for chicken with olives and pickled lemon. First, let's give the ingredient list and the quantity. List of ingredients and amount. Chicken 1.25 kg. Chicken livers 250 gram. Salt 1 teaspoon. Onion thinly sliced 80 gram. Lemon juice tablespoons. Garlic chopped 200 gram. Mixture of olive oil and sunflower oil 2 tablespoons. Salted butter 1 teaspoon. Water 150 ml. Ginger 1 teaspoon. Pickled lemon 4/4 pieces. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Green olives preferably sliced 150 gram. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. Let's get to the preparation. Chicken cut into 4 parts. Mix the spices, garlic, lemon juice and salted butter in a bowl and leave for 2 hours. Sliced onions are sauteed in oil in a saucepan over low heat for 5 minutes. Add the chicken and the sauce it is into the pot. Add water and cook for 15 minutes. The pits of the olives are removed and the peel of the pickled lemon is cut into thin stripes. Add olives and pickled lemon to the pot. The lid of the pot is closed and the chickens are cooked slowly on a low fire until the sauce is reduced. While the chicken is cooking in the pot, 250 gram chicken liver is added. After the chicken is taken out of the pot, the livers continue to be cooked in the sauce. And after 10 minutes, the sauce is crushed and thickened with the help of a colander. Chickens are taken to the serving plate and decorated with olive and lemon peel stripes. It is own sauce poured over it. Meals are served hot. Bon appetit to those who have already eaten. We have compiled the recipe for couscous, one of the North African dishes, for you. Let's first give the ingredients together with their quantities, then let's get into the preparation. Quantity of ingredients: water 1.25 liters, lamb meat 500 gram, couscous Tunisian couscous 1 kg, tomato paste 2 tablespoons, potato 1 piece, onion 1 piece, green pepper 2 pieces, pumpkin 150 gram, turmeric 1 teaspoon, chickpea 100 gram soaked, olive oil 1 cup, cinnamon 1 teaspoon, hot ground red pepper 1 tablespoon, shallot 10 pieces. Preparation: onions are edible, meat is cut into cubes. Put enough oil to cover the bottom of a pan and heat it. Onions and peeled shallots, then the meat is roasted. Tomato paste is added, and after it is fried until its odor is gone. Seasoning is added with chickpeas and frying is continued. After 10 minutes, 1.25 liters of water is added and left to boil. After about 30 minutes, potatoes and pumpkin are added, and it is continued to boil until the sauce thickens. Couscous is dipped in olive oil and placed in a metal strainer and placed on the meat pot. It is cooked with the steam of the dish for 10 minutes. At the end of this period, it is removed and hot water is sprinkled on it. And add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix. It is put into the steam of the pot for 10 minutes again. Take the steamed couscous in a separate bowl and mix it gently by adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Meat and vegetables are removed from the pot. Add salt to the water and keep it ready. Couscous is placed in a large pot at very low heat. The sauce in the pot is taken with the help of ladle, and it is served with couscous. This process continues until the couscous reaches the consistency of rice. It is not necessary to add all the sauce in the pot to the couscous. It remains. It is served as a sauce in a bowl. Couscous is placed on a serving plate. It is served garnished with meat, zucchini, potatoes, and green peppers. We wish good luck to our viewers who will try our recipe. Yes, dear viewers of NTR TV, we were with you with 4 different recipes belonging to the North African region. Subscribe to the NTR TV YouTube channel, watch our African food programs, and make any dish you like there. Send us a photo or video of it and we will publish it. I wish you to be great with new flavors in the next program. Goodbye.